Hello traders, this is video number 6 and in today's video I'll give you a different perspective of breakout and fake out trading strategies. And previously I have taught you the strategy, but I have explained you a single scenario in which you can trade. But in this video I will give you another perspective, another scenario in which you can use that same strategy to make successful trade. And one more thing, I'm providing you these videos slowly because I want you guys to focus on one strategy at a time. Because if I share 4 or 5 strategies all together, you guys will get confused and won't be able to practice with your focus. And that's why I'm providing all these things slowly. And you guys don't have to tell me that you want videos on particular topics. I have decided everything, how I'm going to teach you, and I have planned everything. So don't worry about it. Just follow the process and practice whatever I'm teaching you. So with this note, let's start today's video. So previously I have taught you a strategy in which when market goes up like this, and you have a resistance, either you go for a breakout trade after the second break, or you take a reversal trade when you have a reversal candlestick confirmation. Now this particular setup was completely based on a scenario in which market is moving up and you are waiting for that resistance level to be broken so that you can take the trade. But what about other scenarios? Like we also have a support level here. What about them? Can we use the same strategy at these levels? Well, the answer is yes. But initially, I have taught you only to use this strategy at the resistance only, which means that, let me clear this. Till now, you have only focused on taking breakout trades from these resistance. And I didn't give you any scenario in which you can trade with these support level in an uptrend. Okay. Similarly, when I taught you about the same strategy, when market goes down like this, I taught you to take a breakout trade or a fake out trade on these support zone, which means I have given you only a strategy that you can use in a downtrend by using these support zone only. And in a downtrend, I haven't taught you how to use these resistance level, because once you know how to use these resistance level with this strategy, you can have more trading opportunity. So suppose if the market is going like this and we have this resistance level, you have one strategy in which you can wait for the price to go up, break this zone, and then you can decide if you wanted to take a fake out trade or a breakout trade. But if you focus on an uptrend, you will always find that price always respect these support level. I'm talking about an uptrend here. So price always support these swing lows. Why is that? These swing lows are very important because they decide the upcoming trend. If the price breaks these zones, then this is called change of character. Once you have a change of character, it shows that the selling pressure is high. This is an uptrend, so the buying pressure needs to be high, and that is why we expect that the support level will not get broken by the sellers, because the buyers are aggressive as this is a uptrend market. And that's why the recent swing low in an uptrend holds so much strength, which means, let me again make it for you. So when market is going like this and you are seeing a chart like this, According to the price action, this particular level, this particular support zone is very strong. It's a strong level because if in future price breaks this, then this is called change of character, and in an uptrend you will not see that happening often. If this is happening, the chances of trend reversal are high, which means if this is an uptrend market and you find price breaking the swing low here, then you can expect that in future the price will shift to a downtrend market. So now you understand the basic. Now how you can use it? Simply, when you are watching an uptrend chart like this and the price is here, you will draw a support zone because this is a strong support zone. In all these support zone, when the market is here, this particular support zone is the strongest. If this is broken, these strong levels doesn't hold that much value. They are strong, but this is the strongest zone because this is the nearest one. And if the price once break these zones, you can expect the trend will change. So it confirms us that this support zone is strong and we can expect a reversal trade from here. But if we have a breakout, you can also go with the breakout trade. So all in all, what I am saying here is, if you have a condition in which price is moving up, you will draw your swing low. This is the low, this is high, this is higher low, this is higher high, this is higher low, and this is higher high. So when price moves from higher high to higher low, this particular higher low is strong. It is a strong support zone, and you can expect market reversal, as well as if there is a breakout, you can expect a trend shift. So the strategy that I have taught you previously was based on this resistance, and this resistance. But in an uptrend market, when you find change of character, like in this case, if the price breaks this is called change of character, and this particular zone is strong, which means you can take a breakout trade here. The recent swing low is the strongest in an uptrend, which means if the price is here, you can expect a reversal trade or a breakout trade here. Now, how you can trade? In a downtrend, when you find a break of this recent support, it means you can either go for a breakout trade or you can go for a fake out trade. Similarly, what we do at the resistance, meaning if the price is at a resistance here and you found a breakout, you expect the second breakout to take a breakout trade, or you expect a reversal candlestick pattern to take a reversal trade because this will be a fake out. Similarly, same thing you will do here. You will wait for a breakout. Once you have a breakout, you then will try to find a clear breakout, a second breakout, or you will find a reversal pattern here, and then you will take the trade. Same concept, just the position is different. Previously, I have taught you to use it on the resistance. Now I am telling you, if you are trading in an uptrend, I want you to use the recent swing low, which is higher low here. This is the strongest zone, and you can use the same strategy when taking a breakout trade here or a fake out setup. Similarly, in a downtrend, when price is moving down like this, I have taught you to use a support zone, and once you have a breakout, you expect another break to take a breakout trade, or you expect a reversal candle which makes it a fake out trade. But now in this case, in a downtrend, what you can do, if you have this situation, you can also use this resistance, this last resistance, because this is the strongest. Once it's broken, the trend can change, and that's why this recent swing high in a downtrend holds the most power, and that's why you can expect a breakout or a fake out here. So once the price goes up and it gave you a breakout, what you will do, you will try to find a reversal candlestick pattern which will make it a fake out trade, and then you will trade in the direction of the trend. Or if you get another break, you will take a breakout trade. So the setup is different, the strategy is same. All in all, we are just changing the position. Previously in a downtrend, we were using the support zone to take breakout and fake out trade. But in this scenario, we will use the resistance level to take fake out and breakout trade. Once you learn this strategy and practiced it, in the near future, I will give you strategies in which we will not wait for a breakout. We will take it reversal trade when the price hits a support zone without breaking it. Similarly, when the price goes up in an uptrend, I will give you a strategy which you can use if the price is not breaking the resistance and it is reversing. I will give you a strategy so that you can take a reversal trade. In that way, you will have strategies on every scenario. Like if the price breaks, you can look for a, suppose this is a resistance zone and price is here. So right now I have given you a strategy in which you will wait for a breakout, then you will expect a fake out or another break, a second break to place trade. So now you have two conditions in which you can take trade. Either it will be a breakout or a fake out. But in the near future, I will give you a trading setup, a strategy in which you don't have to wait for a breakout, because sometimes you will find that the price reverses without breaking. So in that case, I will give you a strategy in which you will take a reversal trade from the resistance. Similarly, in the downtrend, you have to wait for a breakout so that you can take a fake out or a second break. But the next strategy video will cover a strategy in which you will take a reversal trade from this support zone also. And after that, I will give you a strategy in which we will cover the resistance so that you can take a reversal trade from here. So currently we are working on the breakout setup only. After that, we will work on the reversal setups and so on. That is how we are going to go. Just believe in the process, practice whatever I am teaching you. I think I have explained you the strategy. Let me summarize it one more time. So if in an uptrend, price is moving like this and the price is here, if the price starts going down, you will simply draw your support level. This is a strong support level. Whenever you are trading with a breakout strategy or a fake out strategy, always use a strong level. And the easiest way to find strong level is to look for support or resistance zone which are clearly visible. You don't have to mark them, you don't have to draw them. They are coming right at your face. Only use strong level. So in an uptrend, when you find that the price is retracing back, you will draw your support zone like this from the swing low, and then you will wait for a breakout. Once you have a breakout, you will use the same strategy that I have taught you, either to have a second break so that you can take a trade in the downward direction, a 1 minute expiry or a 5 minute expiry, or you will look for a fake out setup in which you will find a reversal candlestick pattern and then you will take trade in the direction of the trend. Similarly, in a downtrend, you will see if the price is going down like this, and when it starts to move up, you will draw your strong resistance like this. You will wait for the price to go up, break this zone. Once there is a break, you will see if there is a fake out setup. If it's a fake out setup, you will take a trade in the downward direction. If it's not a fake out setup, you will take a trade once there is a second break in the upside direction. So that is how you can use the breakout and fake out setup. And one more thing, always use strong zones, and to find them, look for zones that are clearly visible. Swing lows, swing highs, extreme levels. These are the levels that works fine. I have already shared a video on major support and resistance level. In that video, everything is covered. So I want you guys, if you are confused, try to watch those videos, because I have given every information so that you can draw these strong zones, and always use strong zones, because strong zones have strong buying selling volume, and that is what drives the market, that is what moves the market. So that is it for video number 6. Now you have two strategies that work in two different scenarios, either by using support or resistance. It works in an uptrend, in a downtrend, in a ranging market. It works in all kinds of market. Now you know how to trade with breakout and how to trade with fakeouts. That is it about this breakout and fakeout strategy. Now we will start covering the reversal trading strategies in the future. Meanwhile, I will also share other content that is also important, and we'll also start working on the psychological aspect, which is very important, which most of traders don't work. I will also give you a money management plan and a trade management plan, so that you guys don't overtrade and have a money management, because this is the most important thing. Buying, selling is one thing, but having a money management plan and a trade management plan actually makes you a successful trader. And that is what I have learned in my whole career, that if you have, I can give you any strategy, but you guys will fail if you don't have a money management, a trade management, if you don't have emotional control, and you trade and you like revenge trade, then you guys will fail no matter what you do. So that is it for today. We'll see you very soon with a new video.